Good morning, second PC students. Yesterday, what did we learn? Explanation. Two vectors, product of two vectors. Product of two vectors are two types: dot product or scalar product, and second one is cross product. So, yesterday, dot product, projection of vector. Okay, how to calculate a bar dot with two vectors dot product. These are completed. Today we are going to the exercise 10.3. Exercise 10.3. First problem. Find the angle between two vectors a bar and b bar. Find angle between a bar and b bar. Find angle between a bar and b bar with magnitude root 3 and 2 respectively. Having a bar dot b bar is equal to root 6. Find the angle between the two vectors. Okay, so what you have to given find the angle between a bar and b bar with magnitudes. Which magnitudes? A bar, b bar magnitudes. So a bar is equal to root 3 and mod b bar is equal to 2 and a bar dot b bar is also root 6. So the angle between a bar and b bar, the angle between and a bar b bar is theta. Then cos theta is equal to, what is the formula cos theta? A bar dot b bar by mod a bar into mod b bar. A bar dot b bar already given, root 6 by root 3 into 2. Root 6 is equal to root 2 into root 3 by root 3. So root 2 is converted into root 2 into root 2. So root 3 is equal to root of 3 into 2, root 3 into root 2, root 3, 2 is equal to root 2 into root 2. So 1 root 3 cancel, 1 root 2 cancel. So 1 by root 2. So cos theta is equal to what? 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2, which angle? Cos theta 1 by root 2, which angle? Cos 45 degrees. So pi by 4. Cos cancel. Therefore theta is equal to pi by 4. Theta is equal to pi by 4. Very, very important questions. Next, find the angle between the vectors. Find the angle between the vectors. Find the angle between the vectors. Which vectors? I minus 2j plus 3k and 3i minus 2j plus k. These two vectors. Here the first problem already magnitude A, magnitude B and a bar dot b bar given. So here the second problem also find the angle between the two vectors. The data is different, but the data solution given a bar is equal to I minus 2j plus 3k. I minus 2j plus 3k. Mod A bar is equal to magnitude, because cos theta formula. A bar dot B bar by mod A bar into mod B bar. Magnitude A is equal to I coefficient 1 whole square, j thing, j quantity plus 3 whole square, that is equal to root of 1 plus 4 plus 9. 1 plus 4 plus 9 is equal to root 14. Next, B bar is equal to second one, 3i minus 2j plus k. 3i minus 2j plus k. Mod B bar is equal to root of 9 plus 4 plus 1. So this is also root 14. Okay. Next, A bar dot B bar is equal to A bar dot B bar is equal to A bar. A bar is equal to I minus 2j plus 3k. I minus 2j plus 3k dot 3i minus 2j plus k. So dot product. How to find out dot product? I. This is I component into Eli component. Here 1 into 3. I component, first vector first one, second vector first one, first second, plus in between plus. Here I j component minus 2. Here also j component minus 2. I minus 2j plus k components 3, here k form 1. This is the dot product procedure. Simply a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3. So 1 into 3 is equal to 3, minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 plus 3. So that is equal to 10. A bar dot b bar is equal to 10. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 10. So therefore the angle between A bar and B bar, the angle between A bar and B bar is cos theta is equal to A bar dot B bar by mod A bar into mod B bar. A bar dot B bar 10 no. Magnitude of A bar into magnitude of B bar, that is equal to 10 by 14. So 5 by 7. So cos theta is equal to 5 by 7. 2 5 so 2 7. So angle means not cos theta. Angle means theta. Theta is equal to cos inverse of 5 by 7. Okay. Find the projection of the vector. Very important. Find the projection. Find the projection of vectors. I minus j on the vector I minus j on the vector I plus a. So position vector A on B, formula A dot B by mod B bar. Here A bar is equal to I minus j, mod A bar is equal to root of 1 square plus minus 1 whole square, that is equal to root 2. A bar, B bar is equal to I plus j. A bar dot B bar is equal to I minus j dot I plus j. I minus j dot I plus j. So 1 into I1, 1 into 1 plus minus 1 into 1. So that is equal to 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0. So mod b bar is equal to root of 1 plus 1 is equal to root 2. So the projection A bar on B bar is A bar dot B bar by mod B bar. A bar dot B bar equal to 0, 0 by root 2 is equal to 0. Pi by 4, 5 by 7, 0. Okay, projection is 0. Next, fourth problem. Okay, clear? Very, very important one. Fourth problem. Fourth problem projection homework. Fourth problem homework and same projection problem example 16th, fourth example 16th, same homework. Here first problem model 13th problem. So example 13th is equal to problem number 1. Example 14 is problem number 2, model problem number 2. Okay, so 16 projection. Okay, no problem. Okay, next fifth problem. Show that each of the given three vectors, each of given three vectors, is a unit vector, What are they? 1 by 7 into 2i plus 3j plus 6k. Next 1 by 7 into 3i minus 6j plus 2k and 1 by 7 into 6i plus 2j minus 3k. These three vectors are unit vectors. Unit vectors means what? Magnitude 1. So find the magnitude each vector. Okay. Also show that they are mutually perpendicular each other. Also show that they are mutually perpendicular to each other. Mutual perpendicular, this is A bar, B bar, C bar. A bar mutual perpendicular, two vectors, so perpendicular vectors means what? A bar dot B bar is equal to 0. Any A bar, B bar dot product 0 means that two vector dot product 0 vector A bar dot B bar is equal to 0. Then A bar dot B bar are perpendicular to each other. So here two problems are there. First problem, three vectors are unit vectors and the three vectors are mutually perpendicular vector. So solution, given A bar is equal to 1 by 7 into 2i plus 3j plus 6k. Mod a bar, magnitude of a bar, e 1 by 7 same, into root of 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square. So that is equal to 1 by 7 into root of 4 plus 9 plus 36. So that is equal to 1 by 7 into root 49. So that is equal to 1 by 7 into root 49 is equal to 7. So magnitude of a bar is equal to 1. Magnitude of a bar is equal to 1 means what? That is unit vector. Magnitude of a bar equal to 1. Similarly, same way, this is remaining mod b bar, mod c bar, these two are equal to 1. We have to prove. Okay, homework. Similarly, mod b bar is equal to 1 and mod c bar is equal to 1. This is a bar, b bar, c bar. Okay, we have to prove. So next, mutually perpendicular to each other. So mutually perpendicular to each other means a bar dot b bar is equal to what will prove? 0. So what is a bar? First one a bar, this is a bar, this b bar, this c bar. So 1 by 7 into 2i plus 3j plus 6k dot 1 by 7 into a bar dot b bar. So b bar is equal to 6i plus 2j minus 3k. So that is equal to 1 by 7 into 1 by 7 is equal to 1 by 49. 1 by 49 into 2i plus 3j plus 6k dot 6i plus 2j minus 3k. So that is equal to 1 by 49 into, how to calculate a scalar product? This is 2 into, this is 6, I, this is I component, this is I component, plus 3 into 2 plus 6 into minus 3. So that is equal to 1 by 49, no, 2 into 6, I, j, k. So 2 into 6, 12 plus 6 minus 18. So that is equal to 1 by 49 into 0. So 0 by anything equal to 0. Therefore a bar dot b bar is equal to 0. So a bar and b bar are perpendicular. A bar dot b bar are perpendicular. Similarly, we have to find, not similarly, you own homework. Similarly, a bar ab, b bar dot c bar is equal to 0 and ab bc ca, c bar dot a bar is also 0. This is these two and e mod b bar mod c bar equal to 1. You have to prove. Okay, not directly. So hence a bar, b bar and c bar are unit vectors and mutually perpendicular to each other. This is the problem number 5. Now next to problem number 6. So what is the problem number 6? Find a bar, find magnitude a bar and magnitude b bar if a bar plus b bar dot a bar minus b bar equal to 8. A bar magnitude of a bar and b bar we find out. What is the given solution? Solution given a bar plus b bar dot a bar minus b bar. So a plus b into a minus b is equal to a plus b into if equal under mod a bar is equal to here not under mod a bar is equal to 8 into mod b bar, 8 into mod b. Question: magnitude of a bar, magnitude of b bar. This is condition. A bar plus b bar, a plus b into a minus b equal to 8, and mod a bar is equal to 8 into mod b bar. So simply a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, or multiply this type. A dot a magnitude of a bar whole square, magnitude of b bar whole square is equal to a2. So magnitude of a bar is equal to what? 8 into b bar. So 8 into magnitude of b bar whole square minus mod b bar whole square is equal to 8. 8 into 8 is 64. 64 mod b bar whole square minus mod b bar whole square is equal to 8. 64 mod b square minus b square. So 63. 63 mod b bar whole square is equal to 8. Mod b bar whole square is equal to 8 by 63. 8 by 63. So we want mod b bar only. So mod b bar whole square is equal to this one. So mod b bar is equal to square root of 8 by 63. Square root of 8. So this is mod b bar. So mod a bar is equal to what? Mod a bar is equal to the given condition. Mod a bar is equal to what? 8 into mod b bar. So 8 into mod b bar. So 8 into mod b bar is equal to 8 by 63. This is mod a bar and mod b bar. Okay, clear? So examples, some more examples also is there. So we have to do example problems in test book. Clear?